Hey there, welcome to Wealth Builders Central. Today, we're going to cover the basics of real estate investing for beginners. Let's dive in. First, let's understand what real estate investing is. It involves purchasing properties to generate income or appreciation, including residential, commercial, and industrial properties. Houses, office buildings, and even factories. There are several types of real estate investments. Rental properties generate income from tenants. REITs let you invest in real estate without owning physical properties. And house flipping involves buying, renovating, and selling properties for a profit. Each has its own perks and challenges. Financing your real estate investments is crucial. Common options include mortgages, partnerships, and crowdfunding. You can borrow money, team up with others, or even get funds from a large group of investors. Having the right financing can make all the difference. Evaluating potential properties involves considering location, condition, and potential returns. Look for areas with growth potential. Assess the property's condition, and calculate potential rental income and appreciation. This helps you make the best investment decision. Managing your properties effectively is essential. This includes finding and screening tenants, maintaining the property, and handling finances. You can manage properties yourself or hire a property management company. Either way, good management ensures steady returns and fewer headaches. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips from Wealth Builders Central. See you next time.